Have you ever wondered what type of trader you really are?
Some people flip trades in just minutes, while others ride the wave for the hours, days, and even years. By the end of this video, you will know exactly where you fit in the trading world, and more importantly, how that can shape your success. See, the real secret, it all comes down to the kind of trader you are. Find your trading style. Picture the market as a massive ocean, wild, unpredictable, full of opportunity, and traders, we are the surfers, each with our own board, riding this wave of opportunities, rhythm, and game plan. Some go for short, quick chart rides, that is the scalper's game. Others wait for the perfect long wave to carry them far. That is the swing trader's approach. Which one matches your vibe? Stick with me and let's find out. But before we dive into the styles, let's get one thing straight. What's a pip anyway? Let's talk about pips. A pip is short for the percentage in point. In Forex, it is the tiniest price movement a currency pair can make. Think of it like the penny to the dollar. Seems small, but trust me, a few pips can add up fast, especially if you are scalping. When you check the US dollar price and it nudges up a bit, that's a pip in action. A few pips can make a big difference. That led us to the golden rule of trading. Trading is simple. The fundamental principle, buy or sell. If the price goes your way, you profit. If it doesn't, if the price goes against you, you take a loss. But here's the kicker, how long you stay in a trade. That's what makes or break your results. And that timing, it all depends on your trade type, and on your trader type, and your strategy, but that's gonna be another video for sure. It's exactly why your trading style matters so much, and that is what we are about to break down. Type of traders. If you are getting value already, do me a favor, hit that like button. It helps more traders discover this and keeps me motivated to bring you more content. The scalper. Scalpers move fast. If you're a scalper, you are in and out in seconds, 2 minutes. You are grabbing a few pips. It's all about quick decisions, fast execution, and repeating the process with discipline. Your trades last just seconds to 30 minutes maximum. By nature, these trades don't last long. Even one solid trade a day could be enough. You don't need to force dozens. This quality always beats quantity. While one well-executed setup with the right strategy and tools can make your day. Your goal as a scalper, grab a few pips or points per trade and take multiple trades throughout the day. The day trader. Day trader work the market like a 9 to 5. If you are a day trader, you start fresh in the morning, and by bedtime, all positions are closed. Nothing rolls over to the next day. You are looking for a bigger move than a scalper, but still want that daily closure. 1, maybe 2 trades per day, or sometimes a few trades. The swing trader. The strategic approach. Swing traders are the strategists. If you're a swing trader, you hold trades for days or even weeks, letting the market breathe and play out. You dig deep into analysis, you wait for high probability setups, you do deep research, follow trends, and time your entry and exit. It's patience, precision, and trust in your plan. And hey, if this is making sense so far, make sure you hit that subscribe button and share this video with another trader who needs this video. Other type of traders. Not every trader plays the same game. There are different styles, rhythms, and approaches. Let's explore the other types and see which one fits you best. If you're a medium-term trader, you hold trades for months. If you are a long-term trader, you hold trades for years. They are in it for the long haul, letting compound and a bigger macro move do the heavy lifting. Now, if you're figuring out which one resonates with you, that's a game changer, because your style determines everything: the tools you use, the time frames you watch, and even the strategy you follow. So what kind of trader are you? Here's your cheat sheet. Scalper, 1 to 5 minutes candles, fast entries, fast exits. Day trader, 30 minutes to 1 hour candles, in and out same day. Swing trader, 4-hour daily candles, holds for days, weeks. And the long-term trader, weekly, monthly, yearly charts, patience pays off. This is just an example. The time frames may vary depending on each trader's analysis and personal approach. So let me ask you, what type of trader are you? Drop it in the comments below, or tell me which style you are learning toward. Now here's the cool part. Many successful traders don't lock themselves into just one style. They adapt their approach based on market conditions, available opportunities, personal circumstances. You might mostly swing trade, but when the market gets crazy volatile, you could switch into day trade mode, flexibility is equal to profit potential. But first, the key is to master one style before attempting to incorporate others. Building a solid foundation in your primary trading style will make it easier to branch out later. And if you're serious about taking this to the next level, or if you're still stuck not knowing where to start, stop wasting time. That is exactly why I built the Unstoppable Trader tools with the starter guide. These are the exact tools that pulled me out of the cycle of confusion and inconsistency and turned my trading into something structured, disciplined, and made thousands of dollars with it. Imagine not second guessing every trade, but knowing exactly what to look for, when to act, and how to stay consistent. That is what's inside. So here is your move. Click the link in the description right now and grab your Unstoppable tools. Now that you understand the different type of traders, it is time to reflect on which style resonates with you the most. Because at the end of the day, there's no best trading style. There is only the one that best fits your personality and circumstances. Your success depends on aligning your trading approach with who you are. Consistency comes from finding your natural rhythm in the markets. Remember this, in trading, the goal is not to rush, it is to last. Patience, structure, and discipline will take you further than any signal ever will. So what type of trader are you really? Of course, hit subscribe, stay tuned for the next lesson, and trade and